I'm sitting in the Sky Club having a double Grey Goose Rocks lime, and this gentleman comes up to me with a smile on his face. He's a plumber from Poland, now working in Boca Raton, Florida. I was like, oh my God, I want to live in Boca Grove. Here's a selfie I took with him. And here's the uncensored video. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Got a little crazy here at the Delta Lounge. But no, I did not get thrown out. I only had one double goose on the rocks with lime. It's 3:20 in the afternoon, and I am on my way to PSP, not PlayStation, folks. Palm Springs, California, where I'm going to be helping out an ACiQ dealer install an 18,000 BTU single zone heat pump with the intention that it operates above maximum outdoor operating temperature. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be nuts. And hopefully, while I'm staying at the hotel for 2 nights, hopefully I'll be able to hit some balls. Because don't you know, I'm an avid golfer now. But what I really wanted to say is that this morning, Sunday, House Call Pro Assist answered an emergency or urgent service call request from a caller. Got the information. It's actually an existing client. He said that he needed services right away. James got the call. He calls him up, and the guy starts flipping out, cursing him out. And we have zero tolerance for that. Here is that phone call.
You're going to take me by the balls? Come on.
I mean, you don't have to be cursing at me, sir. I'm just going...
Well, I'm just talking to you the way people talk to each other
I never...
nowadays, okay?
I know, but I never once spoke to you like that, sir. It's a Sunday.
I didn't say you did.
I know,
Okay?
but then that doesn't automatically go off of you have to start cursing.
Okay.
I'm just trying to explain to you.
Is there any movement on those rates?
Those are our emergency trip rates for Sundays.
Have a very nice day, okay?
And then...
And now you've lost me as a customer for life. How's that? I've been with Pipe Doctor for over 25 years. Never got treated.
Do you have
like
a service agreement with us?
No.
Okay,
Whenever
so...
I have a plumbing problem, you've done thousands of dollars of work in my house in the past 25 years.
If
and
you
you're
want
to
to
sacrifice that business because you're looking to rip me off.
I'm not looking to rip you off. I'm
sure
explaining.
I will go online and find a dozen plumbers who are going to be half that price. All right?
We have normal rates for our weekday visits. If you want, I could put you on the schedule for Monday. And our trip charge for coming out during Monday is $115, and then our labor rate is our normal labor rate. You're calling on a Sunday, sir.
I understand that, but emergencies happen all the time. Listen, you've lost a customer, okay? Go tell your boss, okay?
Okay.
That's it.
Have a great day.
Have a very nice day.
So, folks, let me get your thoughts and feedback down in the criticism section down below, also known as the comment section. He politely, courteously, and professionally explained what the emergency trip charge was, along with the first hour of labor, and the guy went ape shit. And started inflating the truth. Like, I've been using Pipe Doctor for 25 years. Like, bitch, no you haven't. You sure haven't. What are you lying for? People love to make themselves seem much more important than they are. So I got 8.5 hours of travel ahead of me. I'm supposed to be landing in PSP, not with a PlayStation, at 9:50 Pacific time. It's 3:20 Eastern time. 50-minute layover in Salt Lake. Well, at least I could be on this flight. Damn, people are up in arms. Look at this. People are like Fight Club in the sky. I'm gonna patiently wait for boarding to begin at gate B47 at JFK Terminal 4. Thanks for watching. I love you. No homo.